I need to go across live at this time to Chandigarh. Former Railways Minister Pawan Bansal is joining us this morning. He's the sitting member of Parliament from Chandigarh, fighting a tough fight against the glamorous Gul Panag and against Bollywood star Kiran Kher. Kamaljeet Sandhu is with him. Tell us, Kamaljeet, is Mr. Bansal looking confident, or does he think all the scams could have possibly impacted his fortunes once the votes finally get counted, Kamaljeet?
Well, it's the counting day and we are here with Pawan Kumar Bansal and his family. Let's see if he's really nervous about it. Sir, it's been a tough year. 1 year, scam taint. Then overall, there's been tough competition from Aam Aadmi Party. What is your expectation today?
Yeah, I've repeatedly been saying that I don't expect you now after a year to call it a scam taint. If anyone is informed and one has kept abreast with the developments and even with the matter, one shouldn't use that word. I mean, that's what I really feel is bad about our entire way of working. We pass a judgment and you want to stick on to your judgment all the time. Well, that is what it is. Unmindful of what the courts have said, what are the facts of the case. I could understand if you were to say that for the first 1 week or 10 days or even a month, till the time I was examined in the matter. But after that, if you continuously keep saying that, I somehow feel sorry about it.
But you are here with the family. Are you getting any positive vibes? You've already been an MP here.
I am always a person who has positive views. I'm never a pessimistic person, always optimistic about things. Well, I have worked amongst the people and I do feel, as I get to have the feedback even after that, well, people do acknowledge my work.
I see your family out here. How much of a support are they all at a breakfast table? How much is a positive feedback coming from your own family?
Well, I mean, it's only kids with me at the moment, excepting my son who has been working all through. I mean, they won't know anything excepting they would want that hustle and bustle at the house as they have been used to all this time. But we are hopeful tomorrow. But let's see what happens.
What do you really have to say about Kiran Kher and entry of Gul Panag? It seems it's about glamour versus politicians.
No, I don't take it that way also. And it's for the people to pick up anyone they want. I mean, but I know the work in the parliament today, irrespective as to who is there, the work of an MP in a developing society, particularly in India, is a very demanding one. It is not a presidential form of government that you elect a president and then he chooses his own team. Here in the 543 constituencies, it's the people who pick up a candidate out of all the contestants from each seat, and then going by the strength of which a party musters there, the government is formed.
Pawan Bansal has formidable local presence on the ground. Does that look like a man who knows he's winning, or like a man who thinks he's up against it, Dr. Lahiri?
Rahul, there must be truth in disclosure. Mr. Bansal was my boss in the Ministry of Finance. He's a formidable candidate. Mind you, except for 96 and 98, he has won from Chandigarh. So, particularly given the fact that we don't sympathize with politicians, unlike us, who had permanent jobs, they have to seek re-employment every 5 years. So these are very tense moments. So let me wish my former boss all the best.
All the best.